Hello, good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning,
How
ma'am.
are you all?
Good morning,
I'm
ma'am.
fine, ma'am.
Fine.
How's the practice?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
good, Manjot.
Nice, ma'am.
I can see some new students. Raina, Sakib, Rahul,
Hi.
Sehdev.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, good morning to each one of you. So as you know that we have begun with a new IELTS course and the speaking module is going on. Today is the
Yes,
class
ma'am.
for Q card topic. One class is already done yesterday for Q card. Today again we will be practicing the cue card, but that will be past based cue cards. Okay. So
Okay.
please go through the classes you missed out so that you will be on the track with us. Okay. So
Good
guys,
morning, ma'am.
good morning Vishali. So आज के सेशन का गोल है that we all will be focusing on the cue cards, past based cue cards. आज हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम 2 मिनट बिना रुके बोल सकते हैं विदाउट एनी फियर. पास्ट टेंस बोलते टाइम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो, अब नहीं होगे बिल्कुल भी. राइट. ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स भी नहीं होंगी क्योंकि हम अपना एक प्लान्ड आंसर करेंगे विद द स्ट्रैटेजी विच इज PPEF, पास्ट प्रेजेंट एग्जाम्पल, योर पर्सनल स्टोरी एंड योर फ्यूचर ओपिनियन. क्यू कार्ड में कभी भी कोई ऐसी गाइडलाइन नहीं होती कि आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसका पास्ट ही डिस्क्राइब करना है. यू कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट, यू कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट द फ्यूचर. द थिंग इज यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब योर टॉपिक. आपको सिर्फ अपने टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब करना है विद इन 2 मिनट्स. सो अगर आपका क्वेश्चन आता है डिस्क्राइब द मेमोरेबल जर्नी यू टुक, आप एक की जगह 2 जर्नी के बारे में भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. ओके. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपको एक ही जर्नी के बारे में बोलना है. डिस्क्राइब एन एक्टिविटी यू लाइक, डिस्क्राइब एन हॉबी ऑफ योर्स, डिस्क्राइब अ पीस ऑफ क्लोथिंग. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ एक ही क्लोथिंग, एक ही एक्टिविटी, एक ही हॉबी बोलनी है. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट मल्टीपल ऑल्सो. It should be grammatically correct, pronunciation should be correct, fluency should be there, lexical resources should be there, right? So if you're following the
Yeah,
strategy,
ma'am.
I can bet you that you all will be able to improve your band score, right? But you need to have a consistent practice. Fluency comes with practice. एक दिन में तो you cannot be fluent, right? So the more you speak,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
more you will be fluent enough. Clear? Gurpreet, you were not present
Okay, ma'am.
yesterday. कल हमने क्यू कार्ड स्टार्ट किया था, the day 1 of क्यू कार्ड. प्लीज एक बार एप्लीकेशन में जाकर आप क्यू कार्ड की प्रैक्टिस करना. बट डोंट वरी, आज भी सेम प्रैक्टिस होगी. वी विल फॉलो बट डिफरेंट क्यू कार्ड्स होंगे आज. पास बेस्ड क्यू कार्ड होगा. ओके. यस इकरा, वोकैबुलरी मैटर करती है बिकॉज स्पीकिंग के जो पैरामीटर्स हैं उसमें वोकैब है, लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज है, तो आपको इट मैटर्स अ लॉट. राइट. जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
यस. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक, किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो.
9 बजे तक की क्लास चल रही है.
यस
Good to
प्रिंस,
go,
डू
ma'am.
यू वांट टू से समथिंग? Ethan, why were you absent from few days? Why are you missing your classes? Ethan,
Yes, ma'am. I was busy yesterday. That was the reason, ma'am.
you were there in the mock test class, part 1 mock test. I believe you missed out the mock test also. Yeah, mock test class
So,
also
ma'am,
you
I will
missed out,
search.
and Q card
Yes.
day 1 also you missed. I don't want my regular students to miss any class, please, when there are so much important topic going on. इकरा,
Okay, sure, ma'am. I
ऑलरेडी
will not miss.
एप्लीकेशन में वोकैबुलरी आपको गिवन है इन अ वेरी वास्ट रेंज.
Okay, ma'am.
यस. इवन वोकैबुलरी, कॉलोकेशन, फ्रेजल वर्ब्स, इडियम्स, ये सब गिवन है आपको.
Okay, ma'am.
सना,
Thank
रेणुका, आपको कल का सेशन नहीं मिला? इज इट? चेक वंस, एप्लीकेशन में कल वाला सेशन अपलोड होगा.
मैम वैसे मैंने एक्चुअली चेक किया था, मुझे नहीं
No,
मिला.
it's there. It's
मैं
actually there. Let me just show you. आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करो.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Rahul. जो बैंड स्कोर्स आपको यहाँ मिलते हैं, इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एस्टिमेटेड बैंड लेवल. यस, जो ऐप में मिलते हैं. यू कैन इवन ट्राई.
Okay.
अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है राहुल, तो आप एप्लीकेशन में टेस्ट दो एंड यू कैन बुक अ टेस्ट विद अस, लाइक विद द टीचर. एग्जामिनर के साथ भी आप अपना टेस्ट बुक कर सकते हो एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू, शॉप सेक्शन में जाके. स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद द टीचर. Okay?
Okay, but I have IELTS check tomorrow.
You have an IELTS exam tomorrow.
Yes, general exam.
Okay. So it's your day 1, right?
Actually, I'm already in Canada and I completed my study and I booked the exam.
Okay. So please, if you need any help, let us know. And meanwhile, you can have a look on the videos. Okay?
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. And the app
Gurpreet,
is giving me like 6.5 or 7 bands
so
every
it
time.
will be definitely, it will be around this. So check the
Okay.
majority, like it's 6, 6.5 or 7. It depends on you that how you're delivering your task. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
No worries. Yes, Gurpreet, EDMs are very important for speaking, phrases also, phrasal verbs, everything. Okay, Renuka, I can have a look at your screen. Screen sharing, dear. Click on screen share. Share पे click करो.
मैम जो इमेज फ्रॉम फाइल आ रहा है वो वहां से शेयर करना है.
No, share. Click on share.
मैम शेयर में जाके ना वो ऑप्शंस आ रही हैं, जूम, वाइट बोर्ड, फोटोज,
And
इमेज फ्रॉम फाइल.
you do not have an option of screen sharing. Okay, anyone
No,
who
ma'am.
can help her out, who can share this screen from the phone? Kushal, can you try?
Through laptop, ma'am, can I share?
Yes, yes, you can. Open up the application. Everyone have a look. Go to the home page. Start from the beginning. You can minimize the screen. ये Zoom वाला screen आप minimize कर दो. रेनुका, have a look. Classes पे check करो. Classes. Yes. यहाँ पर आप IELTS live classes लिखा है categories में. Click on that.
Yes, ma'am.
IELTS classes. Kushal, click on IELTS live classes.
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पे जब आप क्लिक करते हो तो आपको सारी क्लासेस मिलती है. These are the new classes till Q card.
Okay, ma'am.
See the 7th class. जो 7th क्लास है ये कल वाली क्लास है आपकी. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
और अगर आप उसके नीचे क्लासेस देखोगे तो वो अभी प्रीवियस कोर्स की हैं. जैसे जैसे सेशंस होते जाएंगे इसमें न्यू क्लासेस अपडेट्स हो जाएंगी. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So every time you can just find your class here. Topic check करो and have a class from here. Previous course भी अगर आपको देखना है तो reading, writing, all the classes are there. Okay? You can stop your share screen. Vishali, you're facing issue with the cue card. Example. You have to explain the story. Example is so easy. Don't worry, it will help you out today. Okay?
It's just like, ma'am, if you got the question, can you describe your childhood friend? So what type of example we can add over there?
Just give me a minute. Let me just share my screen with you all so that it will be more clear to you. Okay? So first, as the students who are joining as day 1, Q card के लिए we have a structure जिसे हम फॉलो करेंगे टू स्पीक फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. और वो स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? दैट स्ट्रक्चर इज PPEF मेथड. दैट मीन्स जो हमारे 2 minutes है हम उसे डिवाइड करेंगे 30 seconds में. फर्स्ट 30 seconds वी विल टॉक अबाउट द पास्ट, कि वो स्टार्ट हुआ कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था. Next 30 seconds we will be talking about the current situation, what is happening now. Third will be the example. कोई भी personal example, personal story हम यहाँ पर add करेंगे for the 30 seconds. And last 30 will be future plan या आपका कोई opinion relates to the topic. सो 30 सेकेंड्स हम इन चारों के चारों एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड वी विल सम अप फॉर द 2 मिनट्स. अब जैसे हमारा कल क्वेश्चन था, डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु मोटिवेट्स यू. सम स्टूडेंट्स वर आस्किंग मैम यू शुड से के बाद 4 क्वेश्चंस ऐसे दिए होते हैं, बुलेट पॉइंट्स दिए होते हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू स्पीक अबाउट इट. ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, ये आपको सिर्फ इसलिए दिए जाते हैं सो दैट अगर आपके पास कोई आइडिया नहीं हो आप इन चारों को एक्सप्लेन करो. बट इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी. आपको सिर्फ अपने टॉपिक के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स कि अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु मोटिवेट्स यू, सो यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट पर्सन जो आपको मोटिवेट करता है, इंस्पायर करता है. कौन है वो पर्सन आपका, राइट? तो 1 मिनट में आपको ये आइडिया जनरेशन करना है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग द स्ट्रक्चर यू डू नॉट इवन नीड दैट 1 मिनट. कल हमने किसी ने भी 1 मिनट का टाइम यूज करा टू थिंक अबाउट द आइडियाज? Did any one of you utilize that 1 minute? No. We do not even need that 1 minute. If we follow the structure, हमें कोई भी 1 मिनट की नीड नहीं है. We can start instantly talking about past, present example and future situation. So same goes here. आज हम past based topic करने वाले हैं क्यू कार्ड का. So the question is, describe a person who helped you. अब सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं हम लोग? वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट. अब जो स्टूडेंट्स है जिनको टाइम लग रहा है बहुत, कल आई ऑब्जर्व दैट देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स दे आर नॉट एबल टू जनरेट द आइडिया कि मैं क्या बोलूं मैम, पास्ट के बारे में, प्रेजेंट के बारे में या फ्यूचर के बारे में, राइट? सो हाउ विल यू थिंक अबाउट इट? अब पर्सन की बात करी है कि पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करना है जिसने आपकी हेल्प करी हो. आइडियाज? यस प्लीज. Very good morning, Anju. Ideas, please.
Yes, last year I started my journey in a new company. It was very difficult time for me. I did not able to do any kind of task. I am not available to do. Sorry, ma'am.
It's
Actually,
You want to try? Okay, I want
yeah,
all of you to help me out. How we can generate ideas, what we can think about it कि कौन से पर्सन ने हमारी हेल्प करी होगी. आइडिया कैसे करें? जब आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन आया कि डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु हेल्प्ड यू, यू शुड स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. आइडियाज बिल्ड करना स्टार्ट करो कि क्या आपको कभी किसी की नीड हुई, क्या किसी की हेल्प की नीड हुई इन योर स्टडीज, इन योर लाइफ? यस, एनीवन?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Can I?
just wait, Kushal, wait. Yes, I'm helping you out in idea generation. So tell me, क्या आपको कभी किसी की नीड हुई, हेल्प की नीड हुई regarding your studies, regarding your life problems? Yes, please.
Yes, yes, of course, ma'am.
So if you ever needed the help, who that person is?
I need
Yes.
my friend during my studies.
Sorry?
I need my friend during my studies.
So that means you can
Because-
talk about your friend. अब वो friend कैसा friend है?
Definitely.
He's your childhood
He is my
buddy.
best friend.
He's your college mate. He's your school friend. Is he
He's
one
my
of your
classmate.
cousin? Start generating the ideas. Build करना start करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Who do you usually go out when you are in trouble? जब आप ट्रबल में होगे, किसने आपकी हेल्प करी? कोई फ्रेंड था, टीचर था, फैमिली मेंबर था? अगर फ्रेंड था तो वो कैसा फ्रेंड था? Maybe he's your office colleague, maybe he's your school friend, maybe he's your college friend. So you need to quickly develop your ideas. सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? उस पर्सन के बारे में सोचोगे, राइट? अगर आपके पास आइडियाज नहीं है, यू बिलीव दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू जनरेट आइडियाज क्विकली, आई नीड दैट 1 मिनट, तो वो पर्सन कौन सा है? हु द पर्सन इज? कब उसने आपकी हेल्प करी? व्हेन? व्हाट द सिचुएशन वाज? सिचुएशन क्या थी जिसमें आपकी हेल्प करी, हाउ दे हेल्प्ड, किस तरीके से हेल्प करी. You have to describe all these things. I'm giving you all 1 minute to generate your ideas. Who, when, what, how, why. Quickly. मुझे सिर्फ आइडिया चाहिए, पूरा आंसर नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I try?
Tell me only the ideas. Who the person is? Yes. Who the
Ma'am,
person is?
And he is my friend.
I said who the person is.
He is my friend whose name is Lokesh.
Okay, good. Next one. When
Ma'am,
the
can I
person
try?
helped you.
When I was sick.
During my 12th standard studies.
Okay, great. Next one. Next student, what the situation was. Yes, Manjot, bolo what the situation was.
Can I try?
Manjot. No, you're not audible, Manjot. Yes, Salman. कौन सी सिचुएशन थी जब आपके फ्रेंड ने आपकी हेल्प करी?
Ma'am, when I have started to prepare civil services exam,
Okay,
then one
great.
of my college friend who helped me how to
Got it, got
prepare,
it.
prepare your exam.
Okay, great. Usha, how they help? फ्रेंड ने या जो भी आपका है हेल्पिंग पर्सन कैसे हेल्प करी?
During COVID pandemic, I haven't my laptop in order to continue my classes. My best friend named Gurpreet shared me her laptop in order to continue my classes.
Funny.
Okay, great. And why you
Yeah.
feel that person is actually special for you? Because he helped you, right? Why do you think?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, please. Yes.
Actually, my friend have helping nature. She always stay with me in every thick and thin situations of my life. Apart from this, she helped me because that was the time which was very uh, important to me in order to continue my classes and achieve my life
Thank
goal.
you.
Very good. Very good. Now listen to me. अब आप सबने क्या बताया? पास्ट बताया. ठीक है कि आपके फ्रेंड ने कब आपकी हेल्प करी, कैसे आपकी हेल्प करी. कैन यू टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन नाउ?
Yes, currently I am able to work myself without depending on anyone. It's happened because of him. He helped me throughout my training process in my office times. Also, I gain more knowledge and practical experience. He teach me everything.
यस, वेरी गुड. देखो, जब हम पास्ट डिस्क्राइब करेंगे ना, वी विल ओनली टॉक अबाउट दिस मच कि फ्रेंड कौन था, नाम क्या था, कब मिले, दैट्स इट. जब हम प्रेजेंट डिस्क्राइब करेंगे वी विल टॉक अबाउट हिम मोर. जब हम एग्जाम्पल को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तब हम वो सारी चीजें उसके बारे में बताते हैं कि उसने कब हमारी कैसे हेल्प करी थी. That you clearly remember that he gave you the laptop during the COVID time when you were not having anything. Yes, Vishali, please try.
मैम प्रेजेंट टाइम में उसके बारे में डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे जो हेल्प किया है.
That means today also you feel so grateful na that he helped you. You're actually
Yes,
currently भी आप क्या फील कर रहे हो? आप आज का भी बताओ, right?
मैम
Yes.
समटाइम्स रिपीटेशन हो जाती है जब हम
नहीं, बिल्कुल
प्रेजेंट
भी
के
नहीं
बारे में
होगा.
बोल रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. आप करंट सिचुएशन बता रहे हो. यू हैव टू एक्सपैंड योर आइडियाज. रिपीटेशन कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Vishali, is Vishali
Yes, ma'am.
present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vishali, please talk about past.
Okay, so in 2020, when it was a COVID time, uh, I was stuck in the Dublin, and my boss helped me a lot to from that come out from that city, and he helped me on mm, uh, he helped me on assist me how to come back to the India. It was quite mm, grateful to have him on that time to guide me on which step I need to follow
Hmm.
to come back in India.
विशाली, आपने बोला he helped me on assisting me. Help and assist is the same word. We actually use assist in place of help.
Okay.
ठीक है?
So over here, ma'am, can
देखो,
I
you can
need to be
start with, if you started with COVID time in 2020 when there was a COVID going on. One person who truly helped me in my life was this. His
Okay,
name is
okay.
this. I first met him when I was in my, जो भी आपका है, मतलब आप कहाँ मिले, जॉब में मिले, at place, वो डिटेल्स बताओ उनके बारे में. दैट्स इट. अभी ये नहीं बताना कि क्या हेल्प कर दी, कैसे हेल्प कर दी. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो, उस पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो. क्वेश्चन क्या है? डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु हेल्प्ड यू. तो आपने पास्ट फॉर्म में क्या करना है? आपने उस पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करना है. डिस्क्राइब करा. अब आई प्रेजेंट की बात. Today also you feel so joyful, you feel so grateful that he helped you or he supported you or he assisted you.
Okay.
You actually remember his guidance. He has a long lasting impact on you. You're greatly influenced by that person.
Yes.
अब जब आप एग्जाम्पल डालोगे ना, तब आप इसमें मेंशन करो कि हेल्प करी कैसे थी. लाइक सपोज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माय फ्रेंड और माय टीचर. ठीक है, मेरी टीचर ने मेरी हेल्प करी थी बहुत ज्यादा ड्यूरिंग माय स्कूल डेज. इफ आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, so one of my teacher who helped me out, his or her name is Mrs. this and this. I really met her, or met her first time when I was in class 10th. At that time when I was struggling a lot with my studies, especially in the English. आपने पास बताया. Even today I am extremely grateful that she helped me out. With her guidance, I am able to improve my communication skills and confidence level. आपने प्रेजेंट के बारे में 3-4 सेंटेंस बताए. अब एग्जाम्पल बताओ. I clearly remember that before my board exams, I had a really very low confidence and even I used to hesitate while speaking. She noticed this. She started giving me extra classes, extra time after the school. She encouraged me to speak daily, corrected my mistakes, motivated me continuously. Because of her efforts, I not only improved in English but also got good marks in my subjects. मैंने अब एग्जाम्पल में सारी स्टोरी बताई है कि हेल्प एक्चुअली करी कैसे थी. उससे पहले मैंने सिर्फ अपने उस पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करा और प्रेजेंट में मैं क्या फील करती हूँ उसके बारे में वो बताया. अब फ्यूचर में डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू स्टे इन टच विद माई टीचर and make her proud by achieving my goals. I also hope that she can help others also in the same way she helped me. Done. आपने फ्यूचर भी बता दिया. So you will not ever mix up your ideas अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करोगे. नहीं तो आप पास्ट में कितना बता दोगे उस पर्सन के बारे में. बताओ. You will not be able to speak for 2 minutes. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
In present, we will speak about present. But when we will give an example, then we will speak in past tense.
Obviously, because you are telling a story जो already हो चुकी है. You clearly remember कि उसने क्या क्या help करी थी आपकी.
Okay, I was thinking it will. I will give example
Now
in present.
suppose it depends on your example also. Suppose that person helped you in the past also, and right now also you're taking classes. She's helping you out. So you can talk about present example. Even not in 2002, she's helping me right away, right now also. I go for the classes twice a week or thrice a week to improve my communication skill. She's helping me out right now also, currently also. आप वो भी बोल सकते हो.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Right? Yes, please. किसी को कोई doubt, कोई query in this?
Ma'am, over here, if in the past we give the answer of who, when, what, and how, सो जब हम व्हाट एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो इट शुड बी द क्रिस्प बनना।
देखो ये आपके आइडिया जनरेशन के लिए है। मुझे ऐसा
ओके।
लगता है कि अगर आप पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर इन चार चीजों को फॉलो करते हो, यू नीड नॉट टू हैव दैट 1 मिनट टू स्पीक। आपको सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। पास्ट का मतलब पास्ट में वो पर्सन क्या है, नाम क्या है उसका, उसकी
ओके।
डिटेल्स तो खत्म। One person who really helped me was my childhood friend. I have known him since the primary school, and he has always been supportive to me. Even now, I feel very thankful to him because he stood by me during a difficult phase of my life. अब कैसे, वो अब बता दो। When I was preparing for an important exam, I was really stressed. I was not able to manage my time. So he or she created a study schedule for me, and I was starting regularly. I started studying regularly. He kept motivating me, made my learning more enjoyable. Because of his support, I became more disciplined and I performed much better than I expected. Even nowadays, also, whenever I feel stuck in any of my tasks, he comes and joins me and help me out. तो मैंने present का example भी दे दिया।
Okay.
आपको
So
कोई
in
1
that
मिनट
all
का,
the W I need to
yes,
combination
yes,
all the past, present and
exactly,
future.
exactly.
Okay.
आपको कोई 1 मिनट का टाइम ही नहीं चाहिए सोचने के लिए if you follow this structure. And I have seen the results with this structure. That is why I'm stressing out कि इसे follow करो. You will be able to speak for the next 2 minutes. Nobody can stop you from achieving band 7 when it comes to cue card practice. बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा because I've seen students जो 1 या 1.5 में आके अटक जाते हैं and there are lots of repetitions. वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएंगे if you are expanding your ideas like this. Clear? Let's have one more topic. But you need to have that emotions, that feelings added to it. तभी आप उसे expand कर पाओगे. Next question is describe a gift. Yes.
मैम जो ये PPEF वाला मेथड है, इससे तो हम बहुत सारे मतलब टॉपिक को लंबा कर सकते हैं और रिपीटिशन तो होगी नहीं। ये तो मैम बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आइडिया, ये तो मैंने कहीं
That
देखा भी नहीं था
is,
आज तक।
yes, that is what I
थैंक
said. यहाँ पे
थैंक यू सो
अगर
मच
आप
मैम।
इस स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हो, आपको वो जो 1 मिनट का प्रिपरेशन टाइम है ना,
हाँ
आपको
जी।
वो भी नहीं चाहिए। आपको
हाँ जी
सोचने
मैम।
के लिए कोई टाइम नहीं चाहिए। आप इंस्टेंट आंसर दे सकते हो।
यस यस मैम।
ये जो मैंने आइडिया जनरेशन कराई है, ये सिर्फ उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिन्हें लगता है कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू एक्सपैंड माय आइडियाज, मैं नहीं 2 मिनट बोल पाऊंगा। उन्हें सोचने की जरूरत है कि वो पर्सन कौन था, कैसा था।
हाँ जी मैम।
The other students, they don't even need that 1 minute. Now
यस
suppose
मैम।
describe a gift you received.
हम्म।
What you can talk about?
Last year, when I was celebrating my birthday, one of my close friends presented a gift. I was exactly waiting to unwrap that box. I saw a vintage watch. It looks like golden color. I usually like vintage watches.
Yes, great. You can talk about present also. You can talk about example also. Right? When you add all the details, your answers are done. गुरप्रीत, गुरप्रीत, ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं है कि आप पास्ट में कितने सेंटेंसेस बोल सकते हो। इट्स अप टू यू. Future also, if you want to add 1 or 2 points, you can add. साजन, अगर आपने क्लास लेट अटेंड करी है, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू आउट डियर? अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे प्लीज फोकस करो, ठीक है? So I am repeating this for idea generation. Describe a gift you received. अब आप सबसे पहले सोचो कि कौन सा बेस्ट गिफ्ट जो आपको रिसीव हुआ हो। स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, क्या चीज है आपको जो बेस्ट मिली हो? क्या आपको गिफ्ट्स लेना देना पसंद है? डू यू प्रेफर? क्या आपको कभी कोई सरप्राइज गिफ्ट मिला है? स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस। गिफ्ट था क्या? किसने आपको दिया? कब आपको दिया? क्यों वो गिफ्ट आपको स्पेशल लगा? स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस in the 1 minute. Those who are not able to generate their ideas quickly, just make this habit of note making in the 1 minute कि गिफ्ट था क्या, किसने दिया, कब दिया, क्यों दिया, ओकेजन क्या था, आपको सरप्राइज गिफ्ट मिला, नॉर्मल आपका बर्थडे है, सो इट्स रैंडम गिफ्ट फॉर यू, आपको गिफ्ट लेना देना पसंद है, बेस्ट गिफ्ट था या नहीं था, all the questions, who, what, when, why, what, सब सोचना स्टार्ट करो in that 1 minute.
Can I try, ma'am?
Who said? Who wants to try?
Manjot.
Can I, ma'am?
Manjot, you're not audible properly.
Can I try, ma'am?
Who said yes, please?
Ma'am, it's Salman. Can I try?
Yes, Salman, please.
Ma'am, when I have my graduation, I have got first class. In my graduation, my father surprisingly gave me a bike because I have 3 years. The surprise is sorry, the gift is very surprise for me because I have go college 3 years by walking. That's why the gift is very important for me.
That's it, खत्म?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
minutes बोलना है? अभी
2
प्रेजेंट के बारे
minutes.
में नहीं बोल सकते. Even today also I am using that thing. I'm going college with that. जो भी आपका गिफ्ट
Sorry,
है.
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. मैं 2 minute नहीं सुना था. इसके लिए sorry, ma'am.
Okay? You have to expand your ideas. Okay, चलो past
Yes,
से
ma'am.
start करते हैं. Who will talk about past? उषा, आपका टर्न आ गया है ना पहले?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I tried.
In last
Am I audible, ma'am?
Usha, you already tried, so please just wait and let others also speak. Okay?
Ma'am, I also
Yes,
tried.
Meenakshi. After Meenakshi, Suketu will speak. Okay? Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, I received a gift from my brother which is a smartwatch. He came, he brought that from Saudi when he came to India. When I received that gift, I felt very happy and excited. And still today, when I see that gift, I feel happy.
थोड़े pauses बहुत ज्यादा है मीनाक्षी, फ्लुएंसी नहीं आ पा रही. Even you can say that even today I feel very happy whenever I wear it because it actually reminds me of his love and support, right?
Okay.
तो इसमें आपने past और present दोनों ऐड कर दिया, right? You have expanded your ideas, that is good, but इतना ज्यादा pause ले लेके नहीं बोल. Yes, Suketu. Past, present, any you can talk about, or you want to talk both?
Yes,
Can.
Last year, my brother was giving my best gift, my birthday, my special gift. Like he was giving me a PS5, but like it was a special edition one. That is why I like to use, and also nowadays I use because this one is my best gift. Because this one is a readily available in India. That is why he was giving me this type of expensive gift. That is why sometimes I believe he was giving me gifts like this one. I also giving like a this much expensive gift for him.
Great. Well tried. Would you like to add something more? You talked about PS5, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
कुछ और भी ऐड करना है? Can you?
मैम उसका वो
आप
एक्चुअली स्पेशल
अभी क्या
एडिशन था
क्या
ना, वो
यूज कर
माइक्रोवेव
रहे
का
हो?
था.
How you're using it
मैम
today?
मैम those one is a Minecraft edition. That is why I like him.
You can say that
And look like a Minecraft.
I often play game with my friends, which make it even more enjoyable and help me to stay connected with them. Future के बारे में बोलो, I would like to explore more advanced games on it, and I can improve my gaming skills. I also
Yep.
hope to give something specially equal है ना, कुछ ऐसा ही equal I want to gift it to my brother also. You can
Yeah, ma'am.
expand, right? And your brother gave it, it's truly special for you because he know that how much I love gaming. अगर किसी को
Yes,
ऐसा गिफ्ट मिलता है तो that means he is more into the gaming skills. So expand
yes,
your
ma'am.
ideas. Yes, after Suketu, who wants to try?
May I try, ma'am?
Renuka, yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Well, I received many gifts throughout my life, but here I'm talking about a mobile phone which I received last year. It was a very beautiful gift because it has given by my brother, and I use this phone for various purposes right now, such as to clicking pictures whenever I go to my favorite places. Moreover, I also use my phone for various things such as for entertainment purposes. I watch movies, and sometimes I use it for sharing information with my colleagues and family members. In future, I will keep this phone because I have a great emotional attachment as it is gifted by my brother.
That's good. Well tried. But थोड़े से repetition हो गए. Various things. I use it for various things such as, पहले आपने बोला clicking picture, फिर उसके बाद आपने दोबारा बोला various things such as, है ना? तो to clicking
Yes, ma'am.
pictures नहीं होता, to capture moments होता है. हम कभी भी to clicking pictures नहीं बोलते. That's grammatically wrong. ठीक है? So one
Okay.
of the most valuable gift I have ever received was a phone from my parents. Because जो भी आपका रीजन था वो रीजन आप एक्सप्लेन करो. टुडे ऑल्सो आई एम फीलिंग ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग दैट फोन. फिर आपने एक्सप्लेन करा सारी चीजों के बारे में. आप फोन के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल भी दे सकते हो अगर आप देना चाहो कि वो फोन कौन सा था, फीचर्स क्या हैं उस फोन के बारे में, क्योंकि गिफ्ट है. आप गिफ्ट को डिस्क्राइब भी कर सकते हो कि वो फोन, उसके फीचर, बेस्ट फीचर्स क्या हैं, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
और यूज क्या
Okay.
करते हो? सो यू यूज इट फॉर वेरियस थिंग्स की बजाय आप क्या बोलो? आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर मल्टीपल पर्पसेस. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग वेरियस थिंग्स सच एज, आप क्या बोलोगे? मल्टीपल पर्पस के लिए आप उसे यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे यू कैन टॉक अबाउट फॉर अटेंडिंग योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, improving your English skills, staying connected with your family, your friends. Right? The features are really excellent, which makes your daily task more easier. है ना, फोन की हेल्प से. Okay. Apart from this, anyone?
Can I please?
Can I?
Who said? Arsh?
Yeah.
Yes, Arsh. Go ahead.
There are so
Can I
many
try
gifts in
after
my
Harsh?
life
Yes,
that
Manjot, you can try afterwards. And please do not interrupt in between. Yes, Arsh.
Okay. There are lots of gifts in my life that I got from my families and my friends in my life. But here I would like to talk about a gift that I got from my father on my 19th birthday. It was an Apple Watch, and it was one of my favorite watch that I wanted to be buy in my life. And my father know it very well. So on my 19th birthday, my father gave it me as a gift. And when I saw it first, then I felt over the moon because like it was in silver color and black band. That one of my favorite, that both is my favorite colors. And that was really helpful for me in the past and now as well, because nowadays whenever I have to be go to gym and for my yoga classes, that gonna be really helpful for me to track my steps as well as my health. Apart from that, I can also use it for various purposes, like to getting my notifications. We don't have to be take out my phone instantly whenever I got any notification. I can easily check it on the
Your
on that
speech is
watch.
your
Apart from
speech is running, Arsh. Sorry to interrupt you in between. You are I can see that you have the ability to speak at length. So just make it more improved. Okay? I see that you're able to speak, but ideas are again limited. You are just revolving around the same thing. You started with that you received lots of gift, and one gift you want to talk about is this. Instead of
Yeah.
starting with this, you can simply say a gift that left a lasting impression on me was an Apple Watch series this and this, which I received from my father on my 18th birthday.
Okay.
To this day, I genuinely cherish it as it symbolized both encouragement and responsibility. What made this gift extraordinary was not just its functionality, मतलब सिर्फ उसके function नहीं, the thought behind it. My father has always emphasized maintaining a balanced lifestyle, so he gifted me this. And I remember that I was feeling speechless when I unwrapped it. So now this watch
Okay.
become an integral part of my daily life. It helped me stay active, organized, mindful of my health also. Then future की बात करो, looking ahead, I would like to utilize it more effectively to enhance my productivity. Right? जब आपको
Okay.
लगता
Yeah.
है that you're able to speak at length, तो उसे और improve करो. Instead of just repeating those ideas, not expanding it. Getting me?
Yeah. I got it.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Manjot, your turn.
Can I try?
Ma'am, I have to speak from past.
Yes.
Okay. In past, when I passed my 10th standard with flying colors, I saw my parents coming with the box in their hand, and they surprised me with the gift that I always wanted. It was a Samsung laptop. I was so excited to open the box. When I opened it, I saw a brand new laptop. Uh, my parent gifted me that laptop for study purposes, and I have always wanted a laptop uh, because I am fond of technology, and so I always love to discover new technology things. And the laptop has many good features. It has great camera quality, and I still use that laptop for studying and for attending my classes. Even when I want to relax, I play games on my laptop. This is the most precious and memorable gift I have ever received, and I will still use this laptop in my future.
I'm using it and I will still use it in the future also. Okay, good tried. But आपने थोड़ा सा my parents वाला part 2 sentences repeat कर दिए थे because initial में you already mentioned that you are surprised by your parents that they are coming with the box. And then again you said my parents has gifted me this. You're
Okay,
always fond of technology, and then you mentioned that you want to discover something technology. So वो भी repeated था. You can say that
okay,
I feel deeply thankful whenever I use it. Right?
okay,
Talking about the features, that was good. I manage most of my work on this laptop now. Otherwise, I was actually managing my work on phone. Right?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next
Can I
one.
try now?
Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So next topic for you is describe a time when you made a mistake. Yes. Who would like to start? Past-based cue card. The topic is about past, but eventually you have to talk about each and everything. Past.
Ma'am, I try, ma'am.
Yes, Kushal.
Yeah, last year I was a very new employee to my company. I did not know my jobs and responsibilities. At that time, one of my manager came to me and asked to solve this task, but I am not aware to do that problem, and instantly I did a mistake. He got me fired, but right now I am able to do any kind of work comfortably with confidence because I always patiently working on any kind of task with sheer determination. It helps me to gain practical experience through my experience I gain for my managers and team members. For instance, 2 days back, I gave a presentation in front of my team members. He surprised about my presentation and he gave me a gift like a laptop. In future, I would like to give any thing if my junior want to. That's it, ma'am. For
Okay, just wait 1 minute. Amandeep, you said you're talking about the previous topic. If we talk about photo frame as a gift, then is anything would be add about future. आप बताओ क्या आपको अगर कोई फोटो फ्रेम गिफ्ट में मिला है आप उसके बारे में कोई फ्यूचर स्टेटमेंट नहीं ऐड कर सकते? You can say in the
Maybe
future,
it's
I would
difficult
like to
to
keep this photo frame safely as it holds a beautiful memory. I plan to keep it in my room or future home as a reminder of special moment.
Ma'am,
क्या
just
आप उस
like we tell about to the in present about it's already in my room, and what can we more add for the future?
हाँ, so future will be na, even if you're gonna shift your home, you will keep it because it's a more valuable to you.
Okay.
I believe it will become even more valuable to me over time as memory fades, but photos remain. Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
in
Yes.
future, if I want to talk about a mistake, just I would like to tell, I would not to, I will not repeat this kind of mistakes
Yes,
in future.
exactly.
That okay.
And you're gonna double check everything before submitting any task. So this experience,
Okay.
it actually made you more careful and more attentive that you can add in the future part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So describe a time when you made mistake. पास्ट में आप डिस्क्राइब करोगे जब आपने बहुत ही बुरी कोई मिस्टेक कर दी हो अपनी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रेजेंटेशन के टाइम में, सपोज ड्यूरिंग योर स्कूल डेज. So it happened a couple of years ago and it was quite embarrassing at that time. Even today also you still remember that vividly because it taught you the importance of preparation and staying calm under the pressure, because mistakes हमसे कब होती है? उसी टाइम पे. So आपने क्या बोला? Suppose you are giving a presentation in front of a class, you prepare the content but you did not practice speaking properly. So when you stood in front of everyone, you got nervous, you completely forgot some key points and you started speaking too fast and you made a grammatical mistake. You lost your confidence midway. So what made it worse was that you did not even handle the situation calmly. You rushed through the rest of it. And you felt disappointed in yourself that you cannot perform better. Okay, so आपको अपनी क्या करनी है? Mistake. Yes. Dalpat, can you try?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak, ma'am.
Sorry?
Can I speak?
It's Dalpat's turn first.
For once, ago during my IELTS exam, and I am very confusing because I am not properly pre-planning. So that time in my during exam, I am very confusing in listening section because I had not a properly audio listening, and in the last moment I am write down in listening answer. So that time I'm greatly mistake because I am not properly given answer. So at that time I'm missing answer 1 to 5, and then write down 6 to 10 answer in 1 to 5. So it was very bad mistake for me. So today I still remember that mistake because that time I'm very confusing during my IELTS exam, and that time I'm not properly timing. So it was uh, a great mistake for me, and I also remember that mistake. So whenever
You need to expand your ideas. Okay, I will correct you. Let's listen to first who was speaking. Yes, please. After Dalpat.
Can I try, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody was speaking before you, Anam. Wait. Who said he wants to speak? Yes, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Johnson.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Last month, I filled a vacancy of RBI assistants, and that time uh, I went to the center, and from there, in the checking time, the authority he moved aside me, and he asked me that you seeing the signature in capital letter, and I was not knowing, and that I have made a silly mistake, and from there I came back with a disappointment that I for further time I will not make a mistake.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Dalpat, I want to come to you first. So, describe a time when you made mistake. You're talking about your IELTS part. तो यहाँ पे तो आप बहुत सारा describe कर सकते हो. The mistake which you made during your IELTS exam because you were quite serious and stressful. It happened during your listening and reading sections where you got confused and you made an unavoidable error here. Today also you remember this incident very clearly that actually taught you the importance of staying calm and focused during the exams. So example में आप add करो that you slightly became anxious and you lost the track of question numbers. As a result, I accidentally skipped questions 1 to 5 and you started writing answers from question 6 onward in the wrong place. Because of this confusion, your answers were mismatched and you missed the several correct responses. Even similar during the reading section, you felt overwhelmed by the difficulty level and ended up writing the wrong answers. You realized your mistake very late. There was not enough time to fix it properly and you felt extremely disappointed. Right? अब फ्यूचर के लिए क्या बोल सकते हो? I will make sure to stay calm under the pressure and you will carefully follow the question order. I have also learned to double check my answers whenever possible. Right?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Here it's difficult to put the example ना
Why?
क्योंकि हम
Example
ऑलरेडी
तो
स्टार्टिंग
पूरा
से कंटिन्यू करके आ रहे हैं हम
नो
पूरा
बट आपने
एक्सप्लेन
स्टार्टिंग
करेंगे
से ये बताया नहीं ना कि आपने मिस्टेक्स करी क्या. आपने तो स्टार्टिंग में
अच्छा
ये बताया कि मेरा एग्जाम था जिसमें यू वर एक्चुअली वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड. कौन कौन से सेक्शंस में आप स्ट्रेस थे आपने वो बताया. यू वर एक्चुअली वेरी कंफ्यूज. अब प्रेजेंट में भी आपको याद है कि आपको ऐसी मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी. एग्जाम्पल में आप वो पूरी डिटेल देते हो कि एक्चुअली वो मिस्टेक थी क्या. Right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, while I am spoke about that sentence, made a mistake in past. If in present also, I should continue with that made a mistake, or instead of that, can I talk I rectify my mistake. Right now, I focus.
You
I
can.
can talk
देखो,
like that.
I'm telling you one thing, they never judge your ideas. कि आपने पहले बोला मिस्टेक के बारे में, अब आप प्रेजेंट में बता रहे हो that you rectified, it's completely fine. They never judge your ideas. They are checking your fluency, that you're able to expand ideas on that topic, plus your pronunciation, your sentence structure, your grammatical errors, lexical resources.
And in example also, I can, right now I am presenting the PPTs very well without doing any mistakes. Recently, I got a promotion. Like that also I can.
Yes. Initially
Okay.
you started with that you did a mistake. Now you're rectifying it. You learn from that mistake. That is completely fine.
Yeah.
You have to talk about first mistake. ऐसा नहीं कि mistake के बारे में बात ही नहीं करी. That's what our topic is. Mistake को बताओ, then talk about it कि अब you're not doing. Right?
Okay. Understood.
Clear?
मैम
Yeah,
यहाँ पे ही
yeah.
हो जाता है वो मिस्टेक, मैं बताते
So
बताते पहले ही पूरा
Vishali,
एक्सप्लेन हो जाता
that's only will correct when you keep on practicing.
है।
जब आप practice करोगे, then things will improve. If you do not practice, then nobody can increase your band score. You have each and everything in your plate, I would say. You just have to practice. If you follow this structure, you do not need koi bhi 1 minute. You can just plan your answer. Still, if you feel that you need 1 minute, you're not able to speak instantly, us 1 minute ka use karo with this past, present, example, and future. That's it. Okay?
Yeah,
So I want an honest feedback from you all, the new students also. Did you find today's session helpful?
Yes, ma'am. It is very helpful to enhance the
Yes, ma'am.
sentence,
Did
ma'am.
you find speaking cue card is easy now that you're able to speak for 2 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Try.
ma'am.
Definitely.
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. Yeah. So please do not forget to practice using the application. क्यू कार्ड्स में आपको एप्लीकेशन में क्यू कार्ड के जितने भी पास बेस्ड टॉपिक दिखते हैं आप उन्हें प्रैक्टिस करो. स्टार्टेड. अगर आपको लगता है कि इनिशियली यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, आई बिलीव दैट देयर इज नो स्टूडेंट हु कैन नॉट स्पीक फॉर 2 minutes. स्टार्ट करो, रिकॉर्ड करो आंसर को, सेल्फ इवैल्यूएट करो दैट वेयर आर यू मेकिंग द मिस्टेक. अपनी वीकनेस खुद को पता होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन इज द बेस्ट थिंग, राइट? तो स्टार्ट इवैल्यूएटिंग योरसेल्फ कि जब हम बोलते हैं, बोलने के बाद हम उसे सुन रहे हैं तो हमें अपनी मिस्टेक्स पता लगती हैं, राइट? सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस यूजिंग द एप्लीकेशन. बहुत सारे क्यू कार्ड्स अवेलेबल है, आपको कुछ करने की नीड नहीं है. 2 मिनट का क्यू कार्ड है, प्रैक्टिस करो, दैट्स इट. By the end of the speaking modules, you will learn about the collocations, the idioms, the phrasal verbs. वो मैं आपको सब कराऊंगी. But अभी I want you to speak at a length for at least 2 minutes. किसी का भी न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है, you can try the baby code visa services. You can at least do a query so that you can have better understanding of the options. Plus, do not forget to click on the remind me button for all of your next classes. New students, जितनी classes schedule है उन सब पे आप क्लिक कर दो remind me के बटन पे. जब आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी 9 o'clock, आपके पास एक नोटिफिकेशन आएगा and you will not forget to join any class. Tomorrow, it's Saturday, Sunday, weekend. I want you really to practice, because Monday again we will be practicing cue card, but that will be different cue card. That will be, I guess, person and place based cue card. ठीक है? Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, as well, I have a doubt in reading, ma'am.
What type of doubt it is? Please let me know.
As well, I want to present the screen, ma'am. Then only I can.
Okay, so Kushal, wait. Let everybody leave the session. Yes, Gurpreet. Gurpreet, usually we can, but example, yes, example past, present, future. किसी future का आप example बोल सकते हो? You do not know about future. You can, future is actually an opinion. Okay?
Ma'am, in reading session, I also feel difficulty for
No
scheming.
worries. So if, okay, wait, what we can do is just wait for the sessions to start. Then I will help you out. अगर किसी का भी exam nearby है तो let me know. Otherwise, when we'll be having the reading session, only then I can help you out.
Okay.
Okay? Okay then. See you all on Monday. Bye. Take care, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arshdeep,
Thank you.
leave the meeting first. I'm just ending the meeting. You can join back again for the test. Okay?